Hello, sweet friends. Thanks so much for joining me on today's video. This is going to be a collaboration hosted by myself, Sherry Prather. If you want to join us, we would love to have you over here. And yeah, come along and share something you're needing to get done. And doesn't have to be anything extreme, no extreme cleaning, but let's get started. I have a playlist in the description box that you need to check out for other collaborators that have joined me. I have included that in the description box so that you can check that link and watch the other motivating creators in this collaboration. All right, guys, thanks for joining us. Let's get started. So I'm going to be doing a quick fridge clean out. Just want to wipe everything down, get it all like reorganized again. It's just amazing to me how quickly this gets out of unorganized state. But yeah, I'm just going to do a quick wipe down, put everything back, kind of reposition some things, and let's get going on today's fridge tiny tidy. I have been loving this little tray, or excuse me, this little shelf riser thing I put in here. It gives us so much room and so much space. So, very happy that I came up with that idea. So, it holds a lot of my condiments so I can see them better at a glance. So I keep my pickles up here now, like all the sandwich making stuff. Got my Duke's mayonnaise here. I'm gonna keep my mustard here as well. Like sour cream and dip. We make a ranch dip out of sour cream, so I just keep it in the sour cream container. Don, I'll go ahead and put Don's juice up here. His lemon juice, he drinks pure lemon juice. Guys, it's so healthy for you. So grab yourself some pure lemon juice. So you can get this at Walmart. It has just got amazing health benefits. Yeah, we'll do it like that. Okay. I have a Lazy Susan in here that I keep my milk, my juice, my creamer in. That works wonders for finding things quickly. have to let that soak a minute. Got a little yucky on there. Something really sticky on there. There we go. Had to scrape that sucker off. I need to replenish my jelly. I'm getting low on all three of my flavors, so I'll remember to do that sometime. Got something else sticky down here. Let that soak a sec. Soak a sec. Soak a sec. Okay. Got our cilantro there. Put this in here. I'm just cleaning with a mixture of my homemade cleaner, which is rubbing alcohol, dish Dawn soap, and distilled water, which you can make it scented by putting essential oils in it. There is a recipe, if you're interested, for that in the description box. This is where I keep all my meats and cheeses. So I'm gonna put my pepperoni down here at the bottom. And we put like our deli meat in there. Kind of keeps it extra protected. Cool. Now I just will clean up my lower bin. That goes down there, and that's kind of our leftovers drawer. I'm not gonna worry about my side stuff here for now. Everything's pretty well good there. So yeah, I'll show you here in a minute with everything in it. Alright my friends, that concludes my fridge clean out. Looks so much better and organized. Got my Cokes back in, replenished those, cleaned all the spaces, got that reorganized, and ready for more, ready to add to. So thanks for joining me on today's fridge clean out. Have a great day. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.